If you're new to Afro House, or you've been listening to Afro House, but you don't know how to produce it, let me show you how to make Afro House step by step in FL Studio. If you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So I already have my sounds pre-selected just to save you time, but you can just follow what I do and you achieve the same results and perhaps even better. So I have my drums chosen from the Impact drum kit, which has loops, one-shots, everything you need to make really good drum tracks. So first I have right here is my kick, and I'm going to go with the typical 4-step kick by right clicking, fill each 4-step, and I'm going to just extend this so that I have more room. Next I'm going to have like a hand clap. Again, this is from the one shot section. If I come to claps from the Impacts Afro House drum kits, you can see there's big claps, then there's the hand claps. So I'm simply going to come right here. Then I'll have a simple pattern here. That's just simply going to repeat like that. Yeah. And then I'm going to come to my snare. Then I have my snare here. Then in the other half, add like a little bit of difference in there. So I'm going to come. Next, we have our tom. I think I'll go without the toms there. Then here we have another tom again. Then I have my conga sound here. So I'll simply drag and drop, then I'll paste it right here. Again, we're going to have you adjust 4 bars. If you can't find bars, just simply click this drop down right here. Make sure you're in bar mode, and boom, we have it loaded up. Next, I'm going to drag and drop our shaker loops again, which is from the Afro House drum kits, the Impact drum kits. This is how it sounds with just the shaker. Then I have my tops. Yeah, that is sounding really good, and that's why again this drum kit is goated. The Impacts Afro House drum kits, absolutely the best drum kits you can get if you plan to make Afro House, and it works with FL Studio, any DAW really, any DAW. Just drag and drop your sounds, and it works. Okay. Hey there, before we go any further, I want to let you know that I do offer 101 private coaching. I'll teach you personally how to make beats or how to mix and master professionally. So all you have to do is contact this WhatsApp number on your screen, and let's get to know each other and see how I can help you achieve the goal and the results that you actually want. So without wasting any more time, let's get back to the lesson. So I'll be using the Nima melody loop. I'm going to draw inspiration from this melody loop. Now you can skip this melody loop part if you're not interested in melody loop. So I'm going to be using this melody loop, and you can see it's in C minor, but I transposed it a little bit to by 100 cents, which means it's not in C sharp minor or D flat minor rather. So reduce volume a bit. Right, so now we have to create the chords, and I'm going to drag and drop an empty pattern right here. And for my chords, I'll be using augmented grand piano, which I overcompressed. This is a preset, by the way, Kairos. And I overcompressed the piano sound with Fab Filter Pro C2, just so it sounds more lively. If I turn off the compressor, you can hear that it sounds, really weak. But when it's overcompressed, sounds more alive. That's one trick I don't tell you when it comes to making Afro House. Overcompressing your piano will give you that classic Afro House feel. So I'm going to come to piano roll, and I'm going to set my scale. Remember I said D flat minor. Okay, so let's come to minor natural. Then yeah, so and drag it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how you play your chords. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. But since we have a melody loop, it kind of like has to match the melody loop. Okay, so you may see me finicking around a little bit. So I can literally just keep going. That works, but let's try to create like a progression. So I'm going to maybe shrink this down. Let's go up. Make sure your snap to scale is on so you don't go out of scale. Let's add some bass notes. Although this is already deep enough, but let's make it even deeper. Increase velocity so that it's not so heavy. Hey there, so just a quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, I want to let you know that we also offer structured courses that you can learn step by step if you're trying to learn how to make beats or you're trying to learn how to mix and master. What you have to do is check out our website, sctutorial.com, and you also earn your certification when you complete the course successfully. The course comes with materials and resources that will help you learn, and what you'll be getting will be straight results so you can make bangers or even make killer mixes. So if you're interested, don't forget to visit our website, sctutorial.com, and check out our available courses. It's 100% online and you get to learn at your own pace in your own time. Simply visit our website once again, sctutorial.com, and get started today. All right, so let's get back to the lesson. For the chord layer, I'll be using Burgundy Sky, which is a preset for augmented voices, also by Arturia. So right click and then paste. Just so you see the processing on it, I have gross beat sidechain on it, which gives it that choppy feel. So I'll be adding an arpeggio sound and I'll be using Serum, and the preset is ARP Alter. So let's take a look. No effect on it, only just an EQ chords. So come right here, piano roll. Then you're going to run it on the root key, but this time around we'll go to maybe the 5th octave. Because typically arpeggios sound really good on the 5th octave, but sometimes some sound really good on the 4th octave as well. So the next one I'll be using is the Balls of Zelina from Pigments, that's the preset, and again I also have gross beats on it to make sure like he has that classic Afro house choppy feel. So come right here and wait to start on the root key. So I'm just basically following the root key here. So for example, this is F sharp, this is G sharp. So that's what I'm simply doing right here. But what I like to do is, even if I have a melody loop, I like to play my own melodies, because sometimes melody loop may not play everywhere. I mean, you may want a melody somewhere. So I'll just create a melody because I also have one in mind. Next, I'm going to add a bass, and I'll be using pure lo-fi. Follow my root key. Still on bass, I'm going to play a bass melody using this presets from Xenology, soft bass presets. Sounds better up there. Then we'll clone this here. Let's hear it now with the melody loop. Nice. So I think it's time for us to break it up so we can arrange this. I'm going to split by channel. Then I'm going to break this all apart. Boom, we have it all broken up. So I'm going to arrange this into a full production. So after arranging it, this is how it looks like. You can see the structure at the top, intro, verse, pre-chorus, and all of that, risers and fillers. And this is all from the Impact drum kit. Okay, so everything you need to make really good, high quality Afro house. So let's listen from the top. And if you want the kits used in this video, feel free to check the link in the description down below or visit our website, sctutorials.com.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
And so that's pretty much it, how to make Afro house real quick and easy. And if you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. Cheers.